Hey everyone, it's Davida with WTI, and I want to tell you a little bit about how much I've really enjoyed using this supplement. This is the Nature's Lab DHEA supplement. I've been taking it for about the past month now, and I've noticed a really big improvement in my energy levels as well as my mood. So I've been super happy with this. I recently had a blood exam done to test my hormone levels, and that's when my healthcare professional recommended that I take this over-the-counter supplement, and this is the brand that she's recommended to me. I'm really happy with the supplement. It comes with 300 capsules, and the recommended daily dose is 1 capsule per day. So this will last me quite some time. I also really like it because the capsules are easy to swallow. So they are these small vegetable capsules. I would say they're kind of like a normal size vegetable capsule, but they're really lightweight. And I'm usually not the greatest at swallowing pills, but these are actually pretty easy for me to swallow. So if you're looking for an over-the-counter hormone supplement, DHEA, then I definitely check out this brand, and that's my point of view.